ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ka Omni Winter Beach Festival. Haka khat ar bat khat la 3 January ar hajar ar pusau. Hadangar balat East Khasi Hills District.
Menteri Sarkar Upadai nak National People's Party urakam isangma ulapan pau baya ka baha kerpang balai pulai nak sispa ka reservation palamang iki Kynthei ya ka bill lapa support parliament Pyntrei onla ban Pyntrei kam ha ka weipat ka MP election Pyntrei ka NPP ka layak Khmat ban ai do sispa nak artli ki constituency ya ka baha nak bentaki Kynthei ban yakon ya election Kuman cikudo bak NPP natura seat kala penyang da ka agatha sangma kat bana Shillong seat kala ay ketiket syak Dr. Mazel Amperin Lingdo. Habai keren mikila pathai kubor rakam sangma ulaong menta manu ru om deisyo pan kena ek NPP. Namar bakila ay ki kertong ki pabiang tam ki badairu kilong kemi ki bala pau bha po ka jela.
Now nobody should blame NPP. We have given you the best candidate, the best woman, the best person in the state. Now it is the voters of Shillong parliamentary seats to decide whom you want to send to Delhi. You want to send the mother for your pride, the mother of Meghalayas to represent in Delhi. I think it is very, very appropriate time because what you call the 33% reservation bill passed in the parliament. Maybe it may implement in next MP election. But NPP has went ahead giving 100% seat for both Tura and the Shillong parliamentary seat. But having said so, I don't see any reason of NPP not winning this MP election from Shillong parliamentary seat as well as in Tura. So therefore, I think Madam Amperin is among the best fitted individual to represent Shillong, which suit the Shillong standard in parliament. I think Shillong people will be happy to see Madam Amperin sitting in the parliament wearing the Khasi attire, Khasi customary, beautiful Khasi dress in parliament. I think Shillong people will be happy, will be glorious to see that Madam Amperin speaks in parliament wearing a Khasi dress. Sometimes documents does not prove your efficiency, but your talents prevail. In my constituency in last 5 years, I don't want to name the village. To a village, I constructed a very, very good road in the last 5 years. But in the election, this village, the people of that village did not vote for me. So I think in politics, people don't discuss about all this, what he did, where he did. But now the voters of today is decide with the needs of the hour what is happening today. Yeah, so look, during Congress time, during 75 years back, right? 70 years back, during Congress time, the country get independent country, right? Where is Congress now? Meghalaya got statehood during AP SLCC time. Where is AP SLCC now today? So this is I mean, like, it is not about the party, it's not about the it is about the individual today. Whom to represent. It's a question about individual, what not in history or in the books. Right? So maybe all this what has been spoken of the one of the leader today, that is history. That is history. So history is to read, not to implement. So that is on the book. what I have done. So I'm the grandnephew of Black Captains. If I campaign today, I'm the grandnephew of Black Captains. Will you please vote me? Will they vote for me? They don't remember. They don't see. Right? So what the Congress has done in the past, there is in the history. Let's keep in the books. Let's read in the books, and people don't vote in history. They want the future. They want the present. So now the people of Shillong should and of the entire country decide who going to what, who can deliver the best for the state. It is the that's the what you call topics being discussed by the youth of the state. Because look, young, about every year about 20,000, 20 to 25,000 graduate, but for the private universities, state university, they graduate, right? So we are just generate only 2,000, maximum 2,000 government sector. 70,000 always become unemployed graduate. Very difficult. These graduate unemployed students, the educated unemployed students, should understand which party, which individual can create jobs. They need hope. They need the future, not the history. Congress was in the history, and NPP will be in the future for the young people of our state. I think people of the state are well enough to think which party, who will give them the future security.